Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Wade with Western Material Handling. Today we're here excited to test drive stock number D21094CD. Excellent operating 2003 Raymond DASI R35TT, 3,500 pound capacity. This is a narrow aisle with a single reach forklift. It's equipped with a tall 3-stage mast, does approximately 276 inches of max lift height. Load height is 122 inches. Wade's gonna run up for us real fast, show you how tall she'll go. It's a 36-volt battery. Comes with the charger as well. This unit does have side shift, load backrest, 42-inch fork, excuse me. As you can see, very high up in the sky. This unit has had recent repairs, new PM service, has excellent existing paint. You can check out this forklift online at betterforklift.com or stop by either store in Denver or Fort Collins to check out our inventory. There's the reach function. Get in a little bit so you can see. Appreciate you very much for watching.